This is a review of Wacky Worm tool. I've been using this tool for over 3 months. The reason I purchased this tool is I wanted something easier to help me to make up the Wacky Worm rig with Yamamoto Shinkos. This is the famous lure. But the problem is every time I hook this directly through the plastic lure, when the bass bite it, it's teared off my lure. I want to keep it, I want to use it longer, and also I want to keep it environmental friendly so I don't have to dispose this into the local lake. I found this tool, this is actually working pretty well. You can see this one made out of aluminum. Very light. You don't feel any weight. I can put it in my tackle box. This one has those rubber ring holder. The rubber ring holder can hold it up to 10 ring. The vendor offers 100 ring together, so you can use this for a long time. This is the plastic, just 0.35 inch. So the ring is about a 1/4 inch. 0.35 inch into a 1/4 inch. This is really tight. So without this tool, I have to stretch Yamamoto Shinko through those 1/4 inch hole. You may actually tear plastic worm. That's why you need this tool. The ID of this one, this 0.45 inch ID, 1/4 inch ID, and 0.35 inch OD. So that's how it works. The way it works is you want to hold your Shinko sliding into the position that you want to put the rubber ring. I'm going to put my weedless hook sliding through. Very easy. You're going to understand, very easy. Boom. And then put it out. That's it. And you got the Wacky Worm. All right. This is my review. Thank you.